In the last lecture, we have seen the difference between gauge pressure and absolute pressure. Now we will see how the pressure can be measured. Initially, an Italian scientist, he devised Mercury barometer. Let us see what this is exactly. What he did, he filled the glass tube. This is the glass tube. We filled the mercury in the glass tube and make it inverted and placed in a trough which is filled with mercury. What he found that the mercury descended from the top. Naturally here, what will be here? It will be vacuum here because the mercury was filled here, and now when it is inverted, the mercury, this level has descended. And here the pressure is basically zero. He found that mercury had descended and stopped at this level. Naturally, what is this pressure? What is the pressure here? It is the atmospheric pressure because it is open to sky. That means this, as if you can say, this atmospheric pressure has forced the mercury up to H height. That means PA, atmospheric pressure, is nothing but rho at GH or Hg. That is, in case of mercury, it is 13.6 into 10 raised to 3. He found that this H is 76 centimeter or 0.76 meter, and then 9.8 is the gravity. So this is how he calculated, and he found that atmospheric pressure is around 1.01 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal, or we can write it as Newton per meter square. So this is the atmospheric pressure we calculated, and this device was known as Mercury barometer. Now there is another thing, open tube manometers. What is open tube manometers? Suppose you have a container where gas is there. It is at some pressure, that is P. Then This can be connected to an open tube manometer like this. This is open from here. Naturally, whatever liquid you are filling here, due to pressure from the gas, this liquid will rise. Whatever pressure is there at this in this gas, naturally at this level, same pressure will be there. And suppose this H height is there, through which this liquid has risen. At this P level is here, and here again P, and this pressure P we can equate as rho G H, where rho is the density of the liquid in the open tube, G is usual, and H is the height through which this liquid has been risen. Manometers can be used to find out the density of the liquid. Suppose you have one liquid like this, and it is up to this level. You have another liquid like this, so these levels are same. Suppose this is X and this is Y. Then you can write down at this level, level O, at this level, pressure will be same. So you can write down here PA plus rho 1 G X is equal to PA plus rho 2 G Y. PA cancels out, and here you can get a relation between X upon Y will be nothing but rho 2 upon rho. So you can measure X and Y. If you know one density of liquid, rho 1, rho 2, you can find out. So these are the manometers which are used to find out the density of different kind of liquids.